Welcome back, grade 4. Today in math, we're going to be doing place values up to 6-digit numbers. Here are the class rules. Feel free to pause if you'd like to read them. By place value, what do you understand by actually saying the word place value? Can you explain the ideas behind place value and why it's so important? Here's a definition of the word digits, which we covered in week 1. How do you know the value of this number? Say it out loud. 146 gives a clue. So we have the ones, the tens, and the hundreds. Each digit has a place. Each place has a value. The 6 is in the ones, so it gets just the number 6. The 4 is in the tens. The number 10 has 1 0, so you add 1 0 behind the 4. The 1 is in the hundreds. The number 100 has 2 zeros behind it, so you add 2 extra zeros. Another way of showing place values is with squares. Here you have the ones, the tens, and the hundreds. Each square represents 1 on the ones column, so you have 6 ones. Each 10 blue box represents the number 10, so you would have 4. And each purple box represents 100 on the hundreds place, so you would have 1 box there, equaling 146. Here it is again with a bigger number, 2,335. Again, the thousands orange boxes would be 2,000. The hundreds would be 300 boxes. Tens is 3 10 boxes. And ones is 5 1 boxes. Building number grids with place value grids. Again, here you have ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. You can make the grid as large or small as you'd like. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and you can even go larger into the millions. Again, here's a review on how numbers are divided into periods. They are divided with a comma, 3 digits in each place. Remember again, each period has 3 places, values within its period, ones, tens, and hundreds. So here, if you are counting pennies, you know that you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pennies here. Each stack here represents 10, so that's 2. Each stack here represents 100, so you have 1, 2, 300. 2 tens, which equals 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 329. And here it is written out, 329. Which number shows 4,097 in standard form? Remember, standard form is written with regular numbers, not words or not with pluses. Here's that number written in standard form. Which number shows 3,682 in standard form? The answer is this number. Recap on place value. Remember, the position of the digit changes its value. Digits are grouped into threes. So if this one was moved into the tens, 10,000s, it would completely change its value. Numbers just don't happen, they have structure. So 110 equals 10 ones. Just like if you had pennies, you would need 10 pennies to equal 110. You would need 100 pennies to equal 1 100. You would need 1,000 pennies to equal 1 1,000. If there are more digits, the table needs more columns. So the numbers can go into the hundreds of millions, and the more numbers, the more columns you'll need. So here's just some practice that we did during class. We had the numbers written out in word form, and they had to write them in standard form. Write the numbers in the correct order of size, starting with the smallest. So obviously you look here, and the 4-digit one is the smallest. So you have these numbers again written here, smallest to largest. Please don't forget your commas. We did this exercise again, categorizing the numbers in order of size, smallest to largest. Okay guys, that is the end of the lesson for today. You can use all this information to be able to answer your Google Forms a little bit later, and we will see you back here real soon.